Hi guys, back again with another new video tutorial in which I will tell you about the keyboard settings in your device Oneplus Nord 2T. So if in this device you want to do the keyboard settings, or you want to change the settings, or you want to learn about the keyboard settings, you can do it by the methods I will show you. You have to follow the steps and watch complete video, and by the end you will be able to learn all about the keyboard settings. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's watch the video and learn about the keyboard settings in your device.